Hello, welcome to MCBOSS Capital live stream. My name is Michael Chu, and today is October 29th, Wednesday, 2025, about 9:04 a.m. Mountain Time, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. You can see here Nasdaq is up 0.6, Dow is up 0.4, S&P is up 0.2, volume is lower on Nasdaq. NYSE volume is much higher, 22%. Looking at stocks on the move, we do see 20 stocks, over 20 stocks here that are up in volume, so that's a good for growth stocks. There's lots of stocks reporting today, so the market, many stocks are moving based on that. So you see Pfizer here down 40% on earnings, LRN also down 40%, BRNS, like this is very severe punishment for missing guidance and earnings. So um, still a very tricky market, I would say, because if you're holding stocks like this, it can go both way and also like extreme. So that's very interesting. GNRC also reported down just slightly. Eat Brinker also reported down slightly. So those are some of the MBIX also reported down and phase down 13%. So yeah, lots of reporting happening, and of course after hours we have several big cap tech that will be reporting. So you know, yeah, I think let's jump to the index. The market has been very strong, at least at the index level. This is a very steep slope right now. Definitely quite extended from the red line here, right? So we could be expecting a pullback anytime soon now, just because of how extended it is. So that's something to be mindful of. And today we have Fed meeting, so again, lots of risk because of what could be said and so forth. Even though everyone expect a 0.25% cut, but we just don't know like you know what could be said that could hurt the market. So we'll see. Intraday wise, even though it's trading tight, it is testing the lows. So that's also interesting. SPY also testing the intraday lows here. So yeah, so it looks like again very tight trading, but it is testing the low. Sometimes if that low breaks, it could come down, right? So that's something that's happening right now. Dow is looking pretty good. I mean, this is strong. Look at that slope there. 5-minute chart. So this one is trading more at the upper range. So this is looking very sharp. IWM. This one also making new high. Look at that. So that is very strong. So this one's bouncing nicely right here. So yeah, overall, I think index look healthy at this moment. We have Dow and Russell moving towards the high range of the day, and then we have S&P and Nasdaq, just slightly testing the tight range on the low side. So still really healthy. Yeah. Um, on stocks on the move here, we see many tech stocks moving. STX reported huge move today. Um, kind of propelled the whole area too. This is Seagate computer data storage. Let me take away my markup just because a little bit messy here. So we had a kind of pull back here just 2 days ago and yesterday, and then today we have the earnings came out and really strong. Like I mean, pretty much hitting close to new highs here. And the other stock that's related is WDC. This one, Western Digital, also doing really well, making new highs. So this one, even though this one didn't report, which will come out tomorrow, but it actually performed even better than STX. So that's incredible. Um, Other area in this group, we have Micron making new high, and just keep going. This one really strong. PSTG trying to move out, not as strong, but in the same group. So let's keep going here. Yeah, then we have Nvidia making a very strong move the last few days, including today. Look at this, like it's pretty much going up straight right now. It is pulling back from the highs this morning after a gap up. So we'll see if it tests the low here of the day. But overall, it's again very healthy sign. Volume was tremendous yesterday. So yeah, so that's good. Let's go to Broadcom. Broadcom is also making a nice breakout here. Again, very strong movement right now for a lot of tech, this leading tech stocks here. AMD, this one just paused recently, found support here, and again, very strong movement. Just keep going up higher and higher. Um, so those are all the mega tech chip stocks here. TSM, trying to come back up as well. It's pulling back on intraday test, but it still looks pretty good. It found support right here. That looks pretty good. Let's see what else do I have here. We have the Chinese stock here, Billy, doing really well as well. This one just goes straight up as well. So again, a lot of these stocks are very extended now. It's been up 3-4 days for most of them, and not just up a little bit. It's up quite a bit. So we expect some sort of pullback soon to the 10-day. Food two here also just bounced off yesterday. Support line there and making a new recent high here, looking closer to break out this base. Very strong move to again some of the stocks here. Um, Look at CN here. This one also making new high. Very strong. Credo. This one's bouncing out right now. Very nice. Like, looks really good. Light here, Lumentum, found support yesterday and today make new high. Again, all the stocks are making new high, which is a good sign on the market. For growth stocks, at least Google also making new high right now, slightly. Again, very strong movement. Take a look at Microsoft as well. Again, some of these stocks will be reporting after hours today. But this one's pulling slightly back. Just a small pullback here. Um, Palantir coming out again, very strong move. Breakout right there on Monday, and then yesterday was holding tight. Today we came out and make new highs. So again, very strong move. Um, Rambus report yesterday had a volatile day. It pulled back pretty strong and then closed in the middle range. Today we were able to bounce off it, follow through on that bounce, so that's good. Shopify, this one continued to run really nice, pretty sharp slope. So yeah, yeah. So those are the strong tech stocks. Let's move down. Glow, GLW. This one bounced off really strong earnings today. Yesterday was quite choppy, but was able to close at the top of the range. But today, yeah, the earnings news. I think was it yesterday? Yeah, I think it came out yesterday actually. So today, it's just a rebound from yesterday. So yeah, so that's good. Wayfair. This one came out from earnings, very strong. Today, look at this action here, really nice. Just holding tight, didn't want to give back much. So the 10-day slope is very strong right now. Let's move on to the industrial side. LNT. This one is bouncing nicely here. Look at how it didn't want to come down to the 10-day. So that looks really good. CLS. Look at this, a strong movement after reporting yesterday. Look at this, was able to come back up today. So because it gave back a little bit, quite a bit yesterday, and today continued that run. So that looks really good. BRT, this one also make new high. Yesterday it pulled back somewhat and closed in the middle range. It looks pretty good. Uh, we have coherent here, also making new high. Very nice slope here, very strong. Sterling in the building, heavy construction, making new high as well. Yeah, looks really good. So yeah, lots of stocks are still running at this moment, but again, some of them a little bit extended. Didn't see much health movement today. The goals are trying to bounce back, but they're still under their 10-day moving average. Let's just take a quick look at GLD. So here you go. You can see that high right there, and then you see the green line. I just draw a channel line, intersect them, and we're still below that line, right? So until we come up above that line, I can't say break the downtrend yet. Shows one solo stock that moving today, bouncing here. A little bit choppy lately, but yeah. Financial side, yeah, I didn't see too much big movement in the financial area. You can look at Citigroup yesterday, holding pretty tight, trying to come back on the right side. Didn't make a follow through, continue to its run today. So just mind the pullback here, not much. And then SoFi, let's see, this one also pulling back today. So after making a new high this morning. So yesterday, yeah, it was able to reverse after the earnings report, so that looks really good. So right now we just, again, not too bad as long as it hold near this area and digest the gains. So yeah, just a slight pullback, not too bad. Uh, so let's just take a final look at the market again. Very strong day overall. Let me look at intraday chart. So this one you can see it's starting to hit lower lows. So it's testing lows right now, which is not a good thing. Okay, but because how tight it is, it doesn't really it doesn't seem like a very big challenge, right? If it fall hard, creating a wider range, then yeah, then I would be more cautious about the market today. But so far looks pretty good. Now still at the high range. IWM continue to power higher. So it's just very strong movement today. Okay, thank you all for watching. Have yourself a good day, and we'll see how the Fed, what the Fed says about the general state and so forth. Thank you very much. Have a good day.